Abi Capello, make Capello even come and answer question.
Somebody daughter will love me.
You go answer question today. Jebi sabi answer question.
One day.
Come now.
Oh, one day. Who set fire here?
Mr. Capello.
My brother in the Lord. Somebody daughter.
I'm not your brother in the Lord. Me and you know they go the same church. You na alcohol church you dey attend. So I don't attend alcoholic church. I'm not your brother in the Lord. Capello, how far now?
My brother in the Lord.
I'm not your brother. I bet man sip from your gogoro small.
You stupid.
He's coming, just coming.
Oh, okay, I'm your brother in the Lord.
What is the problem?
You just you dey eat food, self.
You are not ready. That's why sometimes I see you in the road. I'll be so digested. And
You
I don't know
what?
what
Capello, I beg they eat food. Not they drink ogogoro every
What
time.
is your? Are you my father? Are you trying to?
Oh.
Are you trying to compose me?
Jesus!
Compose you. You be poem. You are not poem now. It's only poem that I can compose.
No, you cannot compose me. Why are you
Okay,
stopping me?
Capello,
This highway?
please. I want to ask you.
What is that?
There is this question when I don't define difficult. Kawai, the question I don't find way. What is the meaning of treasure? Now my pikin asked me. My pikin come back from school that day. He come ask me, daddy, what is the meaning of treasure? The thing tire me. Me man, no. Which one be treasure again?
Treasure.
You know you are an intellectual drunkard now. You know book well.
Is it the pronoun? Is it the pronoun or the adjective?
Which one continue.
No, there are two types of treasure.
You don't mean it.
That's why I don't like. You people are just. You ask treasure. You say your daughter, your son come back.
Now my son.
Ask you that, daddy, what is treasure? You would have asked treasure. There's treasure. The pronoun, you say pronoun is anything. That what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word or a name of any person.
Capello, I beg. All this one when they talk, I not understand. What is treasure, young man?
Treasure. The pronoun. One of treasure is that one of a name.
If you like, maybe pronoun or
my cousin, my nephew cousin name is treasure. That is pronoun. Because it's a name. You say pronoun is the name of any person. If you treasure of two types, the adjective one.
You stupid.
Like I say, alcohol is my treasure. Yes.
Okay, you mean I go tell my pikin now say treasure means alcohol is my treasure.
That's not what I'm trying. You should send down your side back to the teacher and ask the teacher, is it the adjective treasure or the noun?
Oh, I should tell my son to go and ask the teacher if the treasure is adjective or pronoun. Yes. Okay, which one is the adjective treasure and the pronoun treasure?
Thank you. The pronoun treasure is okay. I'm just trying to get my stuff. It's not that I want to fall.
Okay.
The pronoun treasure is that down that you name person. Like my cousin nephew, her name is Treasure. That is pronoun. You understand what I'm saying now?
Okay, your nephew cousin is pronoun.
No.
Oh, you mean your nephew cousin is the pronoun?
I said I name pronoun. I'm named Treasure. Pronoun.
Okay, her name is Treasure and she's the meaning of treasure and she's pronoun.
Yes.
The
adjective where you said this alcohol is precious to me. It's my treasure. Alcohol, my treasure. Thank you.
Alcohol. Okay, alcohol, your treasure, and your cousin name is Treasure and the pronoun.
Yes.
So now I be the meaning of treasure. Yes.
No.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Don't forget to go back. Send out your child.
I will send him. I know say this alcohol when you drink. Now let book this and know.
Somebody daughter will love me one day.
Amen.
One day.
Thank you.
That you are blessed, my brother. You ask a simple question all around you.
No.